This one is the province. This place is the province of Trujillo. Trujillo. It's very beautiful place. Trujillo, Spain. As you can see, there is a castle there. And all this one is a church. And below there is that one have the car over there. They call that place is Plaza Mayor, which is a lot of restaurant. We had lunch to this area. We just had lunch now, and then we go up here in the Castillo. Yes, darling. Go up. Yeah, we are going to the Castillo, and the castle is there. There. This is the castle of Trujillo, Spain. Castillo, they called here in Spain is Castillo, but we call it. Look how beautiful this place. Look, so many restaurants downstairs. See, all is restaurant, a lot of people, and also inside there is restaurant. And when you go up here is also all restaurant here. Here we passing by, and we walk there. And we are going now to the castle. You can drive. If you have car, you can drive all the way down here. Look how beautiful. See, you can drive all the way down, or you can drive all the way up. There's a car park there, but our car is downstairs, so no need to drive. Make sure when you come here in Trujillo, you have to wear your nice rubber shoes. Look, darling is there already. That is the castle. Look at that, so beautiful. I can focus. Look, as you can see, it's so beautiful. So beautiful castle. You know, here in Spain is a lot of church. So here, this one is the car park of Eurostars Hotel. Oh, I see. You see? This is not the car park. This is for the Eurostar Hotel that we saw downstairs when we passing by. Okay. Darling is there. He's there. He's going up to the castle. So this is the beauty of the Trujillo. See? This is the vlog here in Spain.